Hi, I'm Chef Adam Lambay. Today I'm making my dad's recipe of Moka with Pupper. It's scrambled eggs with an Indian twist. Dad's from Mumbai, India, and as far back as I can remember, I'd wake to the smell of curry, toasted cumin, and caramelized onions. To start, we're going to heat our oil so hot that you're a little worried you might burn your house down. While the oil gets hot, we'll prep our onions. Oil is hot, let's temper the cumin seed. And now the onions. While the onions caramelize, I'll show you how I cut tomatoes. It's a little dangerous. You could use a plate to protect your hand, but this is how I do it. Next, green onion and cilantro. And if for some reason you're not a fan of cilantro, I've heard that before, people have told me it tastes like soap. You could use parsley or even a pinch of mint. That'd be really good and pretty Indian. Okay, the onions have picked up some color. They're soft, but they have a bit of texture. You don't want them to be soggy wet noodles in your eggs. Next, we'll add the tomatoes. They're gonna pop and burst and let loose their juices, which will help temper the curry powder. You can never have Indian food without it being spicy, even in the morning. So we add red pepper. Now how much you add is up to you. Next, tomato sauce. And as we pour this in, it is going to loosen up all the flavor we built and create one happy, delicious mess. Final ingredient, eggs. It smells outrageous. And there you have it, an Indian breakfast of Moka and Pupper. Pupper is an Indian flatbread made from lentil flour, a tasty breakfast for everyone. Even diabetics like me, give it a try.